Hey, it's Aaron here from Haylett Auto and RV, and I just want to talk about some of the things that our fantastic service department can do. Simple things like side and rear view cameras. Also, slide toppers is something that we can do every single day on any unit you need, as long as it's prepped from the factory and the factory is going to give us enough room to do it. But what I'm really excited about today is some features that we added to this Cougar that not every dealership, not everybody's going to be able to do, but we can do it for you. And we put a complete solar package in this with upgraded batteries, inverters, all kinds of awesome stuff. And I want to give you a quick walk through it all right now. So one of the first things I want to talk about in the system is right up here. This is going to be our battery storage system. We went with 200 amp hour Battle-Born lithium ion batteries. This is going to give you a lot more storage. The advantage of the lithium ion batteries over a traditional wet cell or an AGM battery is you're going to be able to use a lot more of the power that it's going to store in here. So a lot of this capacity, a lot more capacity can be used in these batteries. So it's going to give you a lot more longer use out of these batteries right here. And this fuse block right here next to one of our main batteries, this is the kind of detail that we take. This is the tools that you need to manage all of this power, both coming in through solar and going out through our batteries. So in here in the storage compartment, we've added this 1500 watt inverter right here, and this is going to go to a dedicated outlet inside the coach. So it's going to give you inverted power from our battery bank in the front, and we'll continue to work backwards and show you more of the system. Next step in this whole process, power management. So down here, we're all familiar with our normal power box right here. This is going to be what manages your shore power, but how are we going to manage that solar power? Zamp solar controller right here. So this system right here is going to manage the power coming in from the solar panel, going through here into our batteries. The nice thing about this controller is we can select battery type from a wet cell to an AGM to a lithium ion. So this is very customizable to your system. The next question you're going to have is, why did we go with Zamp? And that's a fantastic question. The reason why we went with Zamp on this particular application is because it is prepped from the factory for the Zamp system. So keeping with Keystone specs on what they wanted to have done with this, we went ahead and went with their Zamp system. This is another part of this install I'm really excited about it. So right here, this is a factory outlet from Keystone. We added this outlet. This is our inverted outlet coming directly from that inverter that we put in the storage compartment. And this is an up item that I really liked. We didn't have to put this this power button right here, but I thought we needed to do that to just finish off this install. So you hit that button, it's going to give you power to this inverted outlet right here. You can turn it on and off right here without having to go to the inverter itself to control that power. So it also kind of just gives you the indication that this is our inverted outlet right here, and it just looks super cool. So you're going to notice there's some footprints up here on the roof, and that's because we just finished installing this for our customer within the last hour. Before they take delivery of this, we're going to go through the wash bay. This whole thing's going to be clean top to bottom, inside and out. It's going to be fantastic for them. But I really want to talk about the heart of this system right here, and that's 170 watt solar panel right here. And this is expandable to 370 watt panels if our customer decides at some point down the line they want a little bit more power, they want to expand the system. We can easily take care of that for them. And finally, you're going to notice where this is installed on the roof. You're going to see we're right behind our vent right here. So what we've done is we've gone kind of in the slipstream of the aerodynamics of this, because this is a raised panel, so we don't want a lot of wind getting underneath it when they're going down the highway and potentially ripping it off the roof. Doesn't really happen, but we are going to ensure that that is not even going to be a problem, because we're right in the aerodynamics of everything else on this roof. It doesn't matter if it was that Cougar or any of the other 700 new and used units we have in stock right now. We have the people, the parts, and the expertise to handle all of your needs, whether it's solar, slide toppers, it doesn't matter what you need. At Haylett Auto and RV, we can take care of it all for you.